welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be preparing some Jamaican curry chicken. First, we're going to wash our chicken with some lime and vinegar to get it all nice and ready. Then we're going to rinse it off with some fresh water. Again, make sure everything is well washed. Now we're gonna add some salt, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, chicken spice, a teaspoon of Jamaican spice, mixed spice, but you can use whatever spices you prefer to use. And now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of Better Pack curry. You can choose what curry you want to use, and my preference is Better Pack. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Make sure everything is well done, well folded in. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic, 2 cubes of garlic, some chopped ginger. I'm gonna have some scallion and onion combined together, some bell pepper. Then we're gonna mix everything together. I also had some Scotch bonnet pepper in it also. You can choose if you want to add the pepper or you don't want to. It's your choice. But this is how I prepare my chicken. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. Now we're preheating our oil and add a teaspoon of curry. Some persons don't burn their curry, some persons do. I prefer to burn my curry. I like it this way, but you have the choice to do it whichever way you like it. Now I'm gonna add my chicken and spices. That smells so good. And fold it in. Make sure everything is well mixed together. Spices, the curry that you burned, and everything. We're gonna add some water to our chicken and cover it up to simmer and cook. Now our curry chicken is ready. This is what it looks like when it's finished. So now we are going to be serving it with some white rice with some lettuce and a tomato with a glass of orange juice. Well, your preference. I love to have my curry chicken with white rice. All the ingredients for this curry chicken will be in the description. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you.